Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I've been gone for so long. Did you miss me? Well, I missed you guys. So I'm here for some more comments, likes, and subscriptions to my channel. And I hope you guys appreciate that. Let me show you what we got going on today. We're back with a little more Svartpilen action. We got this do nothing advanced air filter system. I don't believe this is gonna make much of a difference, but then again, in the previous video I put that auto tuner in it, and that thing has blown my mind. Every single condition you can imagine, high altitude, low altitude, rain, various hot temperatures, cold temperatures, unbelievable difference. If you don't have one of those Fuel X lights, buy one now. If you've got a KTM with a 390 motor or the 373, buy the stupid thing now, because it is a night and day difference. I just can't believe it. I used to tune Subarus and couldn't come up with a difference that was that great from a tune on a Subaru compared to how it feels on this bike. Anyhow, I digress. We're going to stick this air filter in. I'm going to start the bike up, and I don't know why you guys like doing this, but I'm going to start the bike up so you can hear how it sounds. I don't think the microphone displays the sound of this bike properly. It sounds different in person, much different. But we'll do a before and we'll do an after. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell the difference, but what the heck, let's give it a shot. Alright guys, here's your before installing the air filter engine sound. I'm going to install the air filter now. I don't think I need to do a time lapse. It's pretty self-explanatory, right? And then we'll do a sound to show you guys. That's the stock air filter on a Svartpilen, which looks very similar to a K&N or whatever. They want you to put like a K&N. I looked up the part number. It's basically a K&N air filter in there. I didn't realize you needed to get one of those. However, I didn't order it, so what the heck. I'm just going to throw this cover on, and then I'll order the K&N filter and put that on later, but just thought I'd mention that. In order to make the comparison fair, I put all the covers and everything back on, the seat covers, so that the sound comparison could be the exact same distance away, same covers, everything. We'll see if it's any different. I don't think it will be. I didn't notice a difference, but maybe I'll notice a difference when I ride it. There might be a small increase in power. I'm not sure. Well, that's about it for this episode, guys. Short and sweet. It's just something I wanted to share with you and get that information out about the Fuel X optimizer, auto tuner, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. If you like motorcycles or bikes in general, you may want to stay tuned to the channel. Something might be coming up. If you like this mini bike, I've got it for sale on Facebook Marketplace for $1,500. it's being replaced by something, that should give you a little bit of a hint. But this custom build is for 1,500 bucks. Facebook Marketplace. I'm in Scappoose. Comes with a bunch of extra stuff, spare parts, whatnot. Rusty, sitting in the driveway. Something might be coming up about that. But other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other, and as always, I will catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.